Good day, everyone. I'm Ismail Akande by name. My surname is Adelani, though I use Ismail Akande to register on YouTube. So on my YouTube channel, you are going to see Ismail Akande. So you want to search for me on YouTube channel, you check Ismail Akande Knowledge is Light. Because Knowledge is Light is one of my educational album on YouTube channel. Followed by Education is the Best Legacy and some other album like that. All the people that are following me on YouTube, I really appreciate your efforts. In fact, you people are fantastic. I'm proud of you. You've been trying, you have been showing love, comment, and some other things on my YouTube channel. In fact, I sincerely appreciate every one of you. I'm going to teach you many things on my channel. For those of you that want to learn the medicinal value of plants, the plants you see around you, you can click on the subscribe button on my YouTube channel after checking it on YouTube. In the same channel, you will see different songs composed by me and different songs sung by me, which are very, very interesting. For those of you that have been watching it, I believe you've been giving a very good comments. So I sincerely appreciate your love, the love you people are showing. May Almighty God continue to bless every one of you. Thank you so much. This afternoon, I want to teach you something very, very special. But most of us, just because we don't have the knowledge or we don't have the opportunity to know how to use herbs to cure different illnesses. The herbs you are seeing around you, God created them for a purpose. All those things created by Almighty God, both the plants and animals, are not useless. But what I want you people to benefit from this afternoon is the medicinal value of a plant which we call sandpaper plant. What is sandpaper plant in science? Scientists, botanists, they call it ficus species. Though we have different species like that. So the particular one, ficus exasperator. That sandpaper plant, the appearance, if you look at it very well, it has a rough surface. The surface is very, very rough. Look at it. This is the plant. When you are touching the surface like this, it looks like sandpaper. Very rough. Some people normally use it to wash the back of their pot. So it makes their pot very, very neat. All the dirt at the back of the pot, it will clean it neatly and make it look attractive. Some can use it in some other ways anyway. But this afternoon, I just want to teach you how it could be used medicinally. How you can use the ficus exasperator plants to cure a cough. So our topic for today is the use of sandpaper plants in curing cough diseases. How does that work? These sandpaper plants, what we are going to use there is the root of the plants. You can see the plant. At times, you will see it in this form. At times, it can appear like this. Look at this shape. It's still the same thing. You feel it. You feel the surface like this. Even if you don't know it, you can tell somebody that know it very well to help you get it. You can see the plant. They call it ficus exasperator. I believe you can see it. You can see the back. You can see it. Sandpaper plants. In Nigeria, the Yoruba people call it eepin. So the root is what you need for the treatment of cough. When you observe that you have been using some medications, you've been using many things, and the cough is still affecting you seriously, all you need to do is just to uproot this particular plant. You can see the plant, you just uproot part of the roots. You cut part of the roots, you dig the hole, you dig a hole beside the roots to extract the roots with your either cutlass or any hand tool, any farm tool rather. So when you cut the roots, I think I have the sample of the roots here. You can see the roots. This is the roots. So after uprooting the roots, after getting the roots, because at times the plants can grow large in a place that the whole roots could not be easily uprooted. But all you need to do is just to take part of the roots. You uproot part of the roots, then you now clean. You clean the dirt, all the sand that are available there. Clean it properly under a running tap to ensure that there is no contaminants on the surface at all. You ensure that there is no dirt there. Make sure it is clean. After doing that, you peel it. You peel it with your knife. You peel the surface. You peel it like this. Peel it. You can see I'm just using hand. Use knife to peel the back like this. Everything. And make sure it is neat. Peel everything. Peel the surface until it becomes white in color. I'm still going to show you the peeled one before the end of this class. You can see it now. So you peel it until it becomes white. Then after peeling, you now slice it. You slice it, you now put it inside a container. If you like, you can decide to put it inside a bottle or a plastic container. After putting it in the plastic container, you ensure that you get the roots, maybe in a larger quantity, or it's not that large, but something like, let me say, a Ragolis water, as in a Ragolis plastic or any container of your own choice. Just make sure that you have, like, let me something like maybe 500 gram of the weight of that thing. It's not necessary it gets to 500 gram, but just make sure you do something that makes sense, so that when you pour water inside it, you can easily extract the water from the roots. You can easily extract the active ingredient present in the root, which is responsible for curing the cough you are suffering from. So how do you soak it? You soak it for 2 good days. Just soak it somewhere. You now add a cube of sugar there. Just 1 cube. You break it. You are going to break it into powder. You squeeze it. You break till it becomes powder. So you put it there. You put water there to extract the active ingredients present in the root of the plant. When you have soaked it for 48 hours, you can now start using it. So how we now go about the ingestion, as in drinking of the material? Just take 4 tablespoons. That teaspoonful, 4. Take it morning, take it at night, morning and night. 4 teaspoonful. You drink it. I bet you, in few days to come, the cough is going to disappear totally. Even if you have been suffering from the cough for years or for some months, by special grace of God, everything will disappear. So all these things provided by Almighty God are not wasted. It is not left to us to now do research, to make research on them. You see some plants around you. You see, you'll be moving in the bush. You have different shapes of plants. You have different plants in the bush. But God that have created these plants created them for a purpose. That means each of the plants, since they have different shapes, you see their shapes, their characteristics. You see some that are very very tall. You see some that are short. You see some that have a big leaf, a broad leaf. And we have some that have their leaf are pinnates. We have different shapes. In biology now, we have different shapes in plants. We have some that are pinnate, bipinnate, pinnates, ovate, lanceolate, and some other shapes like that. So God that created them and give them different shapes, created them for a purpose. So this afternoon, I believe I have been able to deliver to you the medicinal property of a plant called Ficus exasperata, which is known as sandpaper plants. The appearance, you can check it online. You can check it. You can check it online to know the appearance. And for those of you that know the plant I'm talking of, I believe you have known how to use it to cure cough. It is very, very effective. Never doubt it at all. Thank you.